Good morning, everybody, and welcome to BTC AI Price Prediction. My name is Predrag Danicic, and in today's video, I will quickly talk about Bitcoin, like every time I do, once per week. I will additionally talk a little bit about my view of the market, what was happening in last week in the market, and what we can expect, in my opinion, in near future or medium future in the market. First of all, I would like to tell you why should you be subscribed to my channel. If you go to my channel here and open my first video, it is 7 months ago why I'm crypto bear. 2 weeks later, this video have really bad sound. You will probably not hear anything, but it was recorded on 10th of March. A bit later, let's see when, on 15th of March, I said that bull market is probably over. This was in this period here. 10th of March here, 15th of March here, somewhere here I was talking that. Okay? Then again, let's see what else I can say on. Again, let's take a look at my channel. 2 months ago, on 5th of August, during all this period, by the way, I was talking that bull market is over and I was crypto bearish because I sold all my crypto on 8th of March. Fine, so far you are following me. So what happened next? When we had this capitulation on 5th of August, I was not able to record video except on my phone, and then I recorded this video. On this video, I said that I'm switching from bear to bull and that I spent all my cryptocurrency for buying crypto. I did some trading in the meantime, blah, blah, blah. My last entry was at 59,000 somewhere here. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. 59,000, sorry, 59,000 somewhere here. I don't need you. Anyway, since then I'm all in crypto, and I think that I gave you for now relatively good reasons to subscribe to my channel. I had relatively well said what is happening in the market. All-time bearish, and since this capitulation, I was bullish. I'm bullish again, and I'm still bullish. My last video was recorded on this day here, when this day was still green, on 7th of October. And back then I said that it is a really bad time to be in the stable coins. And I was not in stable coins back then. I'm not in stable coins now. I did some buying and selling of my crypto because I wanted to position better myself in the market, but still I'm not in the stable coins. I understand that you are maybe not in stable coins, maybe you are waiting for lower prices, maybe you are saving your money. I think that we are all here to earn money, and I'm telling you how I'm trying to earn money. I cannot give you better advice than telling you what I'm doing. I'm doing what I think it is the best. If you think that something else is the best, you can do something else. It's your choice. If you decide to go leverage trading and lose all your money on when you are liquidated, that's fine. It's your choice. I cannot stop you. I cannot do anything about it. I will just tell you that I'm not doing leverage trading. I'm not doing leverage trading, and I can tell you when I am buying or when I'm selling. That's all. Anyway, last time, let me just start bull market support band. Okay. Anyway, since last time when I was recorded, we had a really nice amount of liquidations, longs, and now we returned immediately back, and now we have a lot of liquidations of shorts. I would like to point out about this drop here. Let's switch to 1 hour chart. So take a look. this bottom is definitely lower than this bottom. However, last time we spent around 188 hours. No, 42 hours below bull market support band. Essentially fighting, will we get above or below bull market support band again? What happened here? This fight was much longer. It was 67 hours. Additionally, when you take a look at this period when we were fighting for bull market support band, this period here. Actually, I drew it wrong. This period here. What happened? We had one liquidation, one more liquidation. And immediately after second liquidation of longs, we went up. And we went straight up almost since then. Okay, we got liquidations of shorts also, but that's another part of the story. Now what we have essentially is liquidations of shorts. How long we will go up? I don't know, of course. As I said in the last video, it is possible that bull market already started. I strongly believe that we are in early stages of bull market, and I strongly believe that bull market, there is good chance it will not last for long. At some point, it will go up and it will be over in several days. Or 2 weeks. Look at this example. We are going sideways, 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 and then most of the bull run is over in 3 weeks. Most of the bull run. We got from 51 to 62, and that's it. Of course, we had one more leg later, but here in this example, once we started moving, most of it was over in 7 days. Here, when we started moving, most of it was over in 4 days. Here, when we started really moving, most of it was over in 6 days. Essentially 6 days, 7 days, 7 days, and 3 days. And that's all that's the full bull run. The rest was just side movement, just side movement. Okay, I have to tell you the truth. This was not really a side movement. This was also the move up, but prolonged move up, which is the best way of going up. But nevertheless, I don't think that we will have luxury of having something like that this time. Simply because this was after prolonged bear market. Now when we were still deciding will we have bear market or again or bull market, blah blah blah. Anyway, remove drawings. Anyway, at the moment we have a quite significant leg up, almost 5% today, 4.79, which consisted mostly of liquidations of short positions. How long it will last, I don't know, and nobody can tell you how long it will go up. But the matter of fact is that this is one more proof what I was talking in my previous video. Let me just show you. In my previous video, this is what I was talking, but Bitcoin is starting a new bull run. There I've explained why Bitcoin is starting a bull run. I will not repeat it here. There is no need for repeating it. However, what I'm going to tell you right now, it is just one other thing, and it is how I'm positioning myself in the market. I would like to explain you how I'm positioning myself in the market, what I was doing, and how I'm trying to maximize my profits. Because I don't have any more stable coins to buy or sell, essentially what I did is this. I just switched ADA, about 20% of my Polkadot and 70% of ADA, and bought AV. coin because Polkadot and ADA are not moving really well, and later I will show you my portfolio in percentages because they are not moving really well, and I'm trying to maximize my profit, and I'm trying to earn money, earn as much money as possible. Before, what I did before is I sold also ADA. This is I did on 10th of October. I sold ADA and Polkadot, 20 to 30% of my ADA and 20 to 30% of my Polkadot for Uniswap. And my monthly DCA was also Aave. Let's take a look. This is Cardano, this is Avalanche, this is Polkadot, this is Uniswap, and this is Aave. Just take a look at those charts. ADA is 0.35 from 0.7, 0.8 in March. AVAX is also almost half from the price of in the March, but it is moving relatively well from the lowest of $20. While from the lowest of $20 was August the 6th, August the 6th, August the 5th, ADA barely moved at all. It's like dead coin. Polkadot, the same thing. Polkadot actually lost its value to the US dollars since beginning of August. We are comparing the prices currently of the coin to the prices of at the beginning of August. Why? Because then we had this big capitulation of Bitcoin. Let's see what Uniswap did. Uniswap, 5th of August, it was $5. Now it had really nice run to $8. Let's see what Aave did. On August, it was $80. Now it's $160. No, $164. So you see the pattern. If you're, I think that essentially what I did is that I removed my positions in ADA and Polkadot, and for that money I tried to buy Uniswap, Aave, and AVAX. But I'm not going to do this anymore because I don't have any more ADA and Polkadot. I have some ADA, but maybe I would sell it more if currently situation continues. This is my average buying price back when Bitcoin was 59,000. My last entry in the market was, if you don't include DCA from them. Dash is my moonshot coin that will probably return me nothing, but it is what it is. More or less, that's all I have to tell you for today. This run and this jump, this green 5%, if we have again, just take a look. Let's try to copy bar pattern. Thank you. If we have one more 5%, can you? No. Let's do one more bar pattern. Can we do one more bar pattern? Yes, we can. Thank you. So if we continue going like this in 2 days, 2 times 5%, if we go up, we will be at new all-time high. And our first leg of this last bull run will be over. And then if we repeat it few more times and we go again 5%, it will be 78,000, then probably 82,000, 87,000, and this is somewhere where we can expect end of our bull run. I will repeat again, I am not expecting more than 100,000. 100,000 is absolutely top of absolute maximum of this bull run that I am expecting.
Essentially, yes. I don't think that it is time to be in stable coins. I also think that it is much better to stay in some altcoins. And when I mention altcoins, I think that Uniswap had a nice run, and AVAX also have a nice run, and those are the coins that should be considered. Maybe AVAX before Uniswap, because Uniswap is just had extremely well. He performed really well since 8th of August compared to other coins, and it is possible it will not last for that long. But still, Uniswap, AVAX, and Aave are much better option than ADA and Polkadot, in my opinion, at this moment, and Ethereum. But I still think that any of those would perform better than Bitcoin.
Let's see the Bitcoin dominance really quickly. Absolutely nothing changed there in the last 7 days. We are still staying
at about 58% at same level, and essentially we are waiting for Bitcoin dominance to start falling properly. I will leave this. This is a really optimistic drawing that Bitcoin dominance will fall to 47%.
If Bitcoin dominance, I will draw one more
here. If Bitcoin dominance get to 50%, when I sell my altcoins, I will be extremely happy.
Regarding my AI script, which is completely useless, mostly useless, even though if it is printing correct results in last 10, 15, 20 days or something, in last 7 days, 8 days, it became bearish,
which is one more proof that it is not really useful. It is have accuracy more than 50%. I believe that accuracy is about 55, 56%, something like that. But this is not significant to take this thing seriously. I will probably try to improve the script in the future, and I will probably try to improve my machine and improve my amount of RAM that I have and stuff like that. And after New Year, I will just run the whole process again and all algorithm that I created again. But we will speak more about this maybe in January or something like that. Anyway, this bull run is starting and it is really strong, and I think that you should consider being in the market now and not wait for any correction, because there is good chance that this correction might not come. That would be all for me. Thank you for watching. If you consider my stuff that I'm speaking useful, you can subscribe. And of course, don't forget, I was right several times. I was not right always, but when was important, I was right. And I think that I'm right also now. And I think that in next several weeks, next few weeks, we will have actual bull run, and everybody will start celebrating. Everybody will start speaking how we are going to 150, 200,000 or some shit like that. But unfortunately, I have to tell you that then I will be again here, and then I will again tell you that we are not going to those prices, that actually bull market is over and that you should sell. So consider subscribing and liking this video if you like it. Sorry if my type of presentation is not great, but I'm not doing this for money, just for fun from time to time. You can expect one video every 7 days. My name is Predrag Danicic. Goodbye and see you next time.